Hello. Are you free?
Yes. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Times Square.
Okay. Please get in.
How much is it?
It's $15.
That's fine. Please go fast. I have a meeting.
Don't worry, I will drive quickly and safe.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Okay. Do you know Times Square?
Yes, I drive there every day.
That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please relax.
I see the big screens now.
Yes, we are almost there.
Thank you. Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Keep it. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Bye.
Hello. Can you take me to the hospital?
Yes. Please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, only 12 minutes.
Okay. How much will it cost?
It will be $10.
That's fine. Please go quickly.
Yes, I will. Please wear your seatbelt.
Okay. Do you go to this hospital often?
Yes, many people go there.
Is it busy now?
A little, but not too much traffic.
That's good. I have a dentist appointment.
I see. I will try to be on time.
Thank you. You are kind.
You're welcome. Oh, we are here.
Yes. This is the hospital. Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is your change, $10.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Hello. Can you take me to Walmart?
Yes, of course. Please sit.
Thank you. Is there traffic now?
A little, but I know a faster way.
Okay, that's good.
Do you want me to turn on the AC?
No, thank you. Can I open the window?
Sure, go ahead.
How much is the ride?
Around $14.
That's okay. Not too expensive.
We will be there in 15 minutes.
Can you stop near the main door?
Yes, I will stop close to the entrance.
Thank you. I have heavy bags.
No problem. I will help you.
You are very kind.
You're welcome, miss.
Here is $15.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
Hello. Are you a taxi driver?
Yes, I am. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, I want to go to the airport.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, it's about 25 minutes.
How much is it?
It is $25.
That's okay. Let's go.
All right. Please sit and relax.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I work every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like meeting people.
That's nice.
We are almost there.
Great. I need to catch my flight.
Don't worry. You are on time. We are here.
Thank you. Here is $30.
Thank you. Your change is $5. Have a good trip.
Bye. Bye.
Hello. Taxi.
Hi. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Starbucks, please.
Okay. Please get in.
Can we stop at a gas station first?
Sure. Do you want snacks or water?
Yes, I want to buy coffee.
No problem. I will stop on the way.
Thank you. Is the weather always hot here?
Yes, summers are hot in New York.
It is too hot today.
Yes. Do you want the window open or AC?
AC, please. The sun is very strong.
Okay. The ride will take 15 minutes.
How much is the ride?
It will be $12.
That's fine. Can I have your number?
Sure. Do you need a taxi tomorrow?
Yes, I have work in the morning.
I can pick you up. Just call me.
Thank you very much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome, miss.
Here is $15.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Hello. Is this taxi free?
Yes, please get in. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Central Park.
Okay. It will take 10 minutes.
Thank you. Can you play some music?
Sure. Do you like jazz music?
Yes, I love jazz. Not too loud, please.
No problem. Is this okay?
Yes. Perfect. Do you drive every day?
Yes, I drive 6 days a week.
That's a lot. Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 girls. They are 6 and 9.
That's nice. Are they funny?
Very funny. They like cartoons.
Maybe they can ride with you one day.
Yes, then the car will be noisy.
I don't mind. I like happy drivers.
Thank you. You are a kind passenger.
How much is the ride? Here is $10. You can keep the change.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the park.
I will have a great day.
You too.
Hello. Can you stop, please?
Yes. Come in quickly. It's snowing a lot.
Thank you. I forgot my hat.
Don't worry. You are safe now. Can you take me to Target?
Of course. That's 15 minutes from here.
Is the road okay?
It's a little busy. Snow makes traffic slow.
Oh no. I hope I'm not late.
Don't worry. I'll try the faster road.
Thank you. Can I open the window a little?
Better not. Cold air may come inside.
Oh, yes. You are right. Sorry.
It's okay. Do you go to Target often?
Yes, many people shop there.
Nice. Do you like winter?
Yes, but snowy days are hard.
I understand. Cold makes driving hard. How much is the ride? Here is $15. Please keep the change.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Thank you for the ride. Stay warm.
You too. Take care.
Hello. Can you take me to Brooklyn Bridge?
Yes. Get in, please.
Thank you. I'm new here.
Welcome. Is this your first time in New York?
Yes, I arrived yesterday.
Oh, I hope you like it.
It's nice, but very big.
Yes, it's a big city. The bridge is beautiful.
How far is it?
About 20 minutes.
Is there a cafe near the bridge?
Yes, there's a small one across the street.
Great. I want to eat lunch there.
Good idea. Their food is cheap and tasty.
How much is the taxi ride?
It's $12.
That's okay. Can I pay by card?
Sorry, only cash.
Oh, no. I only have $20.
That's fine. I can give you change.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. Enjoy the bridge.
I will.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.